In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the screener in the TradingView app. This powerful tool can help you pinpoint stocks that meet your specific trading criteria. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently use screeners can save you time and open up new opportunities. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to launch the TradingView app. Once you're in, navigate to the screener tool. This is usually located on the bottom toolbar of the app, represented by an icon that looks like a filter or a series of horizontal lines. It's your gateway to sorting through the vast sea of stock data that TradingView has to offer. Now, when you've accessed the screener tool, you'll need to choose the market type. TradingView allows you to screen stocks across various markets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex. So make sure to select the market that reflects your trading interest. This will ensure you're viewing data that's relevant to your specific investment goals. Once you have your market type sorted, it's time to apply filters. Filters are critical because they let you narrow down your choices to stocks that fit certain criteria. You can set parameters such as market capitalization, PE ratio, dividend yield, or price performances. Take your time to apply each filter according to your strategy. If, for example, you're looking for undervalued stocks, you might set a filter that focuses on a low PE ratio and high dividend yield. This step is where you can really tailor your search to match your personal trading strategy. After setting your filters, you'll probably have a range of results, and it might look a bit overwhelming. So, to make your findings easier to analyze, go ahead and sort the results. Sorting can be done based on various attributes such as the price, market cap, volume, or even technical signals. Simply tap on the column header of any attribute to sort the list ascending or descending. This will help you quickly identify the stocks that stand out the most according to your criteria. With all that set up, don't forget to save your screener configuration. Saving your settings allows you to quickly pull up your preferred filters and markets without having to go through the setup process each time you use the app. Look for the save icon, often resembling a disk or a bookmark, to save your configuration for future sessions. Finally, when you see a stock that piques your interest, tap on it to view its chart. This will open up an interactive chart where you can perform a deeper technical analysis. You can check different time frames, add indicators, or even draw trend lines to help you make informed decisions. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to use the screener tool in the TradingView app. By mastering these steps, you're better equipped to find stocks that meet your specific trading needs, ultimately helping you make smarter investment choices. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.